I'm looking at your hair and it's quite wavy. So did you perfect the art of the hair straightener?
Mason,
That job. Oh my god.
is my favorite thing I've ever seen in my entire life. And also, I just want to make reference to the fact that Mason, in his EPK interviews that have been that we've been blessed with on the internet now, Mason is himself he's in his clothes and everything, but his hair is in the Hiccup side part.
That damn side part.
It looks.
See, the side part's like fine in the movie because it works for the character.
Yeah.
Anywhere else,
I know, but it's so
I
sweet.
look insane.